Hello everyone, I am Anjan and welcome to the 30th video tutorial of the Verilog course series. In this video, you will be knowing the simulation part of the decoration lights, that is part 2 of this video, and I also covered the coding part and the pre-coding part in the part 1 of this decoration lights video. You can check them it in the Shaskas YouTube channel playlist, and it is a continuation for LED blink in FPGA light videos, and you can also check those videos in on the Shaskas YouTube channel playlist too, and I strongly recommend you to watch those videos and come to this video so that you can get a better idea on it. And let's move to the post coding part, that is on the tool. Here is the decoration lights code from top to bottom, and here I pre-simulated it for you. Let's give the values for it. Give the reset value for the value as 1 initially, and give the force clock as, set it for binary values. Leading edge value is 1, trailing edge value is 0. Set it for 10 nanoseconds. Let's take it for 1 nanosecond. Okay. So that I set here for 1 nanosecond. The time period of 1 clock pulse is 1 nanosecond, and here I will run for 10 nanoseconds, so that I will be getting the directly the y output. Here in the code I given for every count clock 10 I will be resetting the values, and here I given the values and elaborate this y output. I take it. Let's run it. If you see, there is 10 clock pulses and you got 0, and you can also now set the reset value to 0 and run it again. You can see that, and keep on running for 16 LEDs. Let's see what. Run it for up to where you will get 0 again. Here I got 0. I will zoom fit it for you. Here you can see that the clock is totally compressed, so that you can find only green color line here, green color bar here. There are nearly thousand clocks here, clock pulses, so that it is looking like a bar. And here you can observe that the clock is incrementing, like from cycle 0 to 1, 1 to 2. After every clock pulse, the LED 10 clock pulses, the LED is changing from 0 to 1, 1 to 3, and up to 16. And here it again go to 0. I will run it for another. Here you can see. Here it start from again 0, and this will go on. Here is the code. LED is blinking. Every LED is blinking in a sequential manner. After that, it will start again and go up to here. It is like a sequential manner, and it will continue up to endless loop. up to when you will stop again, reset giving as 1 so that it will stop again. You can now check it for reset 1 again so that it will stop. Where all the values will be got to 0. Here you got all the values to 0. This is the clock bar. Okay, and here I am ending this video of the simulation. If you like the video, do like it, and don't forget to explore the more questions on related to Verilog in the description box below, and subscribe to StarScript's YouTube channel. Thank you.